This one got ripped open good here in the cab corner.
I stay putting in that work, everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
So I have a Chevy Cruze here. Quarter panel damage on it all throughout this area. So I have a bedside repair on a F150. This is an aluminum bed. The worst spot is just right here. Other than this area, the rest of it's just basically scratches. So I'm gonna warm this up and try to work this out and see how it comes out. That actually came out better than I thought it would. It ended up popping a little bit of a hole right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld that hole up, and then this one will be ready to put some plastic on. Now I have the cab of this F-150. This one got ripped open good here in the cab corner. So it's getting a new cab corner section. On these, you have to buy the entire uniside, but they have section procedures just to put this back section in. And the way Ford wants it done, they say you could cut anywhere up in this area and down in here as long as you are 50 millimeters away from door hinges, door strikers, and restraint anchoring points. So I'm going to cut it somewhere up in this area, probably right in here, and down here, somewhere right in here. I'll have to measure it out once I get going on it, but I'm going to go ahead and roughly get this piece cut off, the bulk of it off, and then I'll trim it back from there.